In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall DocuWorks. It's not going to be as simple as just going to Control Panel and deleting the software. We do need to delete the serial number and make sure that it also has been deactivated before we completely remove it from the particular PC where we install it to. Why do we need to do that? We need to make sure that the license is free up so that we can reuse that license again. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now. Okay, so we do have our DocuWorks desk right now opened. So what we need to do is we need to go to license management screen. Okay, and from this license management screen, make sure that you allow UAC. We have to select the license that we wanted to proceed with deactivation. Okay, so what we need to do is to go and select this serial number, go to advanced feature, and then click on license deactivation. Okay, press next. Okay, it will ask you to confirm which particular license you want to cancel. Press next to proceed. When you are deactivating license, now you do have options whether you want to use file to cancel the license activation, um, or you wanted to use the internet. So right now, we did activate this DocuWorks online, so I'm going to be doing an online deactivation. So I'll just proceed with use the internet to cancel the license activation. Now, what will happen if I use file to cancel license activation? If I use file to cancel license activation, you have to browse where you want to save it. Okay, so for example, I wanted to save it in the desktops, just click save on that. Okay, this file will have to be emailed to the licensing team of Fuji Xerox, and then they will be able to do the next step to deactivate or cancel your license. Okay, so again, for my end, I'll be doing it as use the internet as I'm connected to the internet right now, and it is the recommended step. So we'll just proceed with that one. Next. All right, so it successfully canceled this particular license for us. Just click completed, and you can see that this is already unactivated license. So what's the next step? The next step is to go to advanced feature and make sure that you delete the serial number so that it will delete the registered serial number for this DocuWorks desk. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and proceed with that. Select the unactivated license that you currently have. So again, it's making sure that your license status is unactivated before you perform any deletion. All right. So unactivate it and press next. Okay. Just click on yes on that. And it is successful. Okay. So now you have completely deleted your serial number unactivated and then deleted it. So what we need to do is to exit on this license management screen, close DocuWorks desk, open control panel, go to uninstall a program. Okay. And select Fuji Xerox DocuWorks 9 and uninstall. Click yes to proceed. Yes. Right. So it's uninstalling DocuWorks desk right now and the full DocuWorks 9 for us. Now, again, there are other applications installed on your particular computer, okay, which relates to Fuji Xerox DocuWorks. Make sure that they are also removed, okay? So what you need to do, even if I refresh it, it's not removing itself. Make sure that you uninstall them as well, okay? so that we don't have any issues if we were to install it on this machine again. Remove the extended folder for working folder. Okay. And also the license manager for Fuji Xerox DocuWorks. Okay. So just uninstall that one out. All right. Just click OK on that. All right. So that's how to uninstall DocuWorks on your particular computer. So I hope that this video have helped you on how to understand the flow of how to uninstall DocuWorks on your PC. So this is the complete step on how to do so, and this is the proper one. So I hope that you do follow them so that you avoid having issues to reactivate it on another computer, for example, right? Thanks for watching this video. Bye.